Unleash the power of AI. 4 must-have stocks for the long haul. The AI revolution is just getting started, and the best opportunities are yet to come. While the market may be volatile, now is the time to invest in the right stocks to capitalize on the long-term growth potential of artificial intelligence. Here's a breakdown of 4 top AI stocks that are poised for success, along with a controversial twist that could shape your investment strategy. Nvidia, the GPU giant. Nvidia, has been a top AI investment since the race began in 2023. Its graphics processing units, GPUs, have become the industry standard, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. With orders for $300 billion worth of its top-tier AI chips over the next 5 quarters, Nvidia is a powerhouse. The AI hyperscalers are spending big, and Nvidia is at the center of it all. But here's the controversial part. Despite some market chatter, Nvidia isn't overvalued. Its growth rate is impressive, and the P/G ratio, a key metric, indicates it's undervalued. With a P/G ratio under 1 from both forward and trailing perspectives, Nvidia is a bargain. This makes it a must-have stock for the AI boom. Taiwan Semiconductor, powering the AI revolution. Taiwan Semiconductor, TSMC, is the unsung hero of the AI arms race. It manufactures the chips that power Nvidia and other AI giants. Without TSMC's foundries, the AI technology we know today wouldn't exist. And they're tackling a critical issue: energy consumption. TSMC's new chip technology consumes 25 to 30% less power, allowing AI hyperscalers to run more units efficiently. This could be a game-changer, driving massive growth for TSMC and the entire AI ecosystem. Alphabet, beyond Google search. Alphabet, GOOGL, was once written off in the AI race. Its core business, Google search, seemed destined to be replaced by generative AI. But Alphabet has proven its resilience. Its legacy business thrived in Q3, with revenue rising 16% year-over-year and net income soaring 33%. The key? Alphabet's cloud computing business, Google Cloud. It's monetizing AI by renting out its computing capacity, positioning itself for success in the later stages of the AI boom. This makes Alphabet a strong buy for the long term.
Amazon, AMZN,
Amazon, AMZN, shares a similar story to Alphabet. Its core business, e-commerce and advertising, is thriving, while its cloud computing arm, AWS, is a market leader. AWS saw a 20% year-over-year revenue increase in Q3, a significant rebound. The controversy? While AWS was once in a growth slump, it's now proving its relevance in the AI world. This makes Amazon a must-own stock, especially as it's had a weaker year compared to some AI peers. Amazon is poised for a strong 2026 and beyond. The bottom line: embrace the AI boom. These 4 stocks represent the AI revolution's potential. While the market may be volatile, now is the time to invest in the right AI stocks for long-term success. Remember, the AI boom is just beginning, and these companies are at the forefront of this transformative technology.